Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you a new VPN app that helps you create a secure and private connection while browsing online. This app also improves your internet experience and is available directly on the Google Play Store. Before we begin, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment if you have any questions, so you never miss future updates. Now, let us get started. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type Ml UDP VPN. You'll see the app appear. Make sure to check the correct name and icon. Before downloading, tap on it, then press install. Once the app is installed, tap open to launch it. Now that we're inside the app, let us go through the setup process so it works properly and secures your connection. Update resources. Tap the 4 boxes at the top, then select Check Updates. This refreshes the app's resources to ensure the best performance. Choose a server. Tap the server box, and either select one manually or leave it on auto. The auto option will automatically connect you to the best performing server in your area. Select your network type. Tap the network box, then type UDP in the search bar. For this tutorial, we're using UDP. If it's not available in your country, simply choose your country's supported option from the list. For broader coverage, you can also select all country UDP, which works worldwide. Start the connection. Finally, press the Start button. As you can see, the VPN has connected successfully. That's how you can get a secure and reliable connection using Ml UDP VPN while browsing online. Thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you in the next one.